Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Okay, we're here in Antipolo. So this is a modern home, sits on a 160 square meter na lot area. So dito muna tayo sa may parking space. So kung mapapansin nyo, ito yon, naka-covered na po yung parking space natin, naka-drop ceiling, and may canopy dito. Right? O kahit anong klase ng sasakyan, basta good for two carport vehicle po ito, yung parking. Okay? And yung pala na-mention, yung ating gate is automated gate po yan. Okay? So ito yung parking. Then ito yung pedestrian gate natin. And on this side, meron tayong space or itong garden space natin. Okay? And dito sa ating main entry, we have a solid main door and a digital lock. And welcome to your new home. So pagpasok mo is yung ating living area. So pakita ko yung ceiling. A modern ceiling na naka-drop ceiling, merong naka-drop, naka-cove, and merong cove lights. And a modern ceiling light po. So ito yung space for the living area. Again, location natin is Antipolo. Alright? Then, dito meron tayong, pansinin nyo to. Okay, so hindi na masyadong halata. Okay, pero yan, pag binuksan nyo to, is meron tayo ditong common na powder room for visitors po yan. Right? So, for visitors po yan. Ito po yung space ulit ng ating living area. And then, on this side is yung ating magiging dining area, which is connected doon sa lanay area. Okay? So, dining area natin. Kahit na 8-seater na dining table, kayang-kaya po. Right? So, dun is yung parking kanina, yung parking space natin. And then dito is yung ating lanay area. May konti tayong garden dyan sa gilid. Okay? Okay, so after nyan, meron tayo dito is yung ating kitchen area with the kitchen island. So pakita ko yung buong kitchen area. Then we have this guest room or pwedeng senior room dito sa ating ground floor. Napakalaki po nito. And maganda, may sarili din siyang toilet and bath. Okay. So dito sa labas is yung ating service area. Okay? Service area and then yung ating maid's quarter nandito. Hindi na ako lalabas dahil baka magdumi lang eh. Paglabas ko makakatapa ako madumi. 'Di ba? Nakakaya do sa caretaker. Okay? Pasensya na kayo, hindi ko nalalabasin 'yon. So again, ito yung ating kitchen area. So basically, dito yung magiging space for the refrigerator po. Right? So, modern home po here in Antipolo. Again, sabi ko kanina, if looking kayo for a retirement home, diba? Or kung mga work from home naman po kayo, very ideal po itong bahay na to. So, tara, akit tayo ng second floor. So, may mga lights din dito sa stairs. Merong wall lights and a chandelier. So, unahin ko dito sa ating first bedroom. Dito po yung 3 bedrooms lahat, may kanya-kanyang toilet and bath, and napakaganda po ng sizes ng bedrooms natin dito. Okay? So, first bedroom with toilet and bath. Naka-drop ceiling tayo. May built-in cabinet, may vanity table. So, yun yung space. So, proceed tayo dito sa ating second bedroom. So, ito yung space dito sa ating second bedroom. Same lang, naka-drop ceiling din. May sariling toilet and bath. Meron ding built-in cabinet. Mas malaki lang po yung space nung first bedroom na pinasok ko. Okay? Pero ito, napakaganda ng space din nito. Lahat naman po ng bedrooms is good for adult. Okay? Walang kids bedroom dito. And then, this is your common space. We can use this as your family area or entertainment area. Diba? Right? So, ito yung space. Napakaganda ng space niyan. Naka-drop ceiling and cove ceiling na rin yan. Okay? Ito yung balcony. And the last part is yung ating master's bedroom. Okay? Master's bedroom, syempre, meron din tong sarili niyang toilet and bath. And mas malaki actually. Yung kanyang private bathroom. So, pakita ko muna yung space ng master's bedroom. Right, then naka-drop ceiling din. Punta tayo dito sa kabila. So, ito lang din naman yung balcony kanina. So, common balcony, are connected yung balcony ng master's bedroom doon sa family area kanina. Okay? So, yan, space ng master's bedroom. And then, ito yung community. Sa community, wala naman po tayo masasabi. Maayos naman yung community. Very quiet. 24/7, gated and guarded po yung subdivision natin. Ayan. Again, location natin, we are here in Antipolo. Lot area natin dito is 160 square meter. And then yung floor area is around 280 square meter po, if I'm not mistaken. So, estimated ko lang po yan, ha? Right, so yung price, yung full description or full details ng property, paki-check nyo po sa may description box. Ipopost po namin doon. And if interested po kayo, kindly message us. Yung number namin nasa screen. Open po yan. Mobile, Viber, or WhatsApp. Message lang po pag gusto nyo makita yung mag-viewing. Alright? So that's it. Again, my name is Vin of NCR Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching po. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.